if your video doesn't get in view after you upload your video within the 24 hours, you need to go and enable this on your channel so that YouTube can push out your video. And we see this video on my screen right now is the one that first of all blow up on my channel, which I'll show you what you need to enable. First thing, you need to go to your YouTube Studio on your Chrome browser, then come to the settings right here. As I click on the settings, you see come to the channel, right? So this is the first thing you need to enable. Come to the features eligibility, and you see I have enabled all these 3 steps. So if you have not enabled this on your channel, right, go and do that right now so YouTube can promote your video. What you need to do is to enable all these features. Once you have enabled it, then the next thing you need to do is that come to your advanced settings right here, and you see on my advanced settings, say do you want to set your channel as made for kids. So what you need to know is to put it in general. No, we are not making this for kids, right? So after you have done this, what you need to do is to come to the upload default right here. So we see the upload default, you see I have description tags right here, which what you need to do is to go and find the trending keywords that is trending in your niche and put it right here in this your tags, right? So that every time you want to upload video, this tag will be there. You will not be doing it every time, right? So this is the steps you need to take. And if you come to the advanced settings right here, you see there's something like allow automatic chapter and key moments. If you are someone that are looking for a watch hour, you need to turn off this, right? So turn off this. If you are someone that looking for a watch hour, maybe your watch hour isn't increased, right? So you can turn off this. And your category, choose your category based to your niche, right? So you come down, you see automatic dubbing. So you need to enable this on your account right now. So I have enabled this on my account. And you see manual review debug before publishing. So you can change this like you want. So you see allow automatic debugging. So you need to turn on these things, enable these settings so that YouTube can push out your videos very well. Then I will save this, right? The next thing you need to know to turn on and to turn off on this channel is I will show you in this particular video right here, which I will just come to the details, right? So if I come to the details, you see these settings. So if you come here, you see the audience. So this video is set to not made for kids, like I show you at the time that time. So you need to click on the show more. So right here you say alter content. Even if you generate these videos with AI, still choose no, because if you choose yes, they will reduce the limit of recommending your videos to others. You need to choose no, right? So that's why every video you post, choose no for it, even if you use AI content. And you see this automatic chapter and key moments, just turn it off, right? So I just turn it off right now. See this one, allow automatic plays and allow automatic concept. You see every year learns more about unfamiliar terms without leaving the videos. So concept mentioned in your video may automatic apply in the description, so you can leave that one, right? So if you now come down to the tags, this is where a lot of small creators are doing it wrong, right? So you need to find a keyword that's trending in your niche right now and put it right here in your tags right here. So you see this one, what you need to do if you want to get this tag, go to the VidIQ you're seeing on my screen, put in the niche, name of the niche you are into, and it gives you a lot of keywords and relative keywords which you can add here to these videos right now. So if you come down right here, you see the automatic debugging is turned on right now. So you need to turn on all these settings for YouTube to recommend your video. And you see the category right now. So this is educational video, right? Once you have turned on all these settings, and wait for 24 hours for YouTube to optimize your record, right? So if this works for you, go to the comment section, let me know in the comment sections.